Holy hell. And this car is on fire? I don't know where it's coming from. That's really not good. Holy hell.
I'm Alex.
How are you?
I'm good.
Yeah, good to see you. Or meet you officially.
Yeah.
Holy hell. Check out that twin turbo titanium work. What's going on, Butters?
What's up?
Butters in the house. Now that I look at you, I know. Did you see that caged XP?
Yeah, I still like the wagon outside though. I'm a wagon at heart.
This is my favorite. Holy huge turbo.
Yeah, right?
This is so gnarly. Could fist that exhaust. My goals. I think it's safe to say, and the guys aren't here, but this can be added to the list.
I think it is on the list.
You guys have no idea what to expect with the Tire Slayer. No idea. What in baby Jesus?
You can pretty much race anything, right?
This is from another world. You know, in fact, I'm pretty sure they sell these from factory this way. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah, this was an option.
Yeah, they rolled it off the lot.
Yeah.
How much does this weigh?
12, maybe 1,300 pounds? Maybe. The rear.
Yeah, it probably is like 1,200 pounds.
I was gonna talk, I'm left a little speechless. If I were to have a mommy wagon, definitely be this Butte right here, or a CTSV. These are like what, 700 from factory?
Something like that.
And I don't mean to down talk as if it's a mom car like that's a bad thing. This is the most bad wagon, aside from a CTSV, in my opinion.
I think this is cooler than a CTSV.
Okay, show me.
I'll show you. You know, I can fit like strollers and stuff back there.
Yeah, this would be perfect.
I mean, they do walk and they don't need strollers anymore, but that's a great excuse, right?
Very nice. The keys to the Too Nice to Dave R8.
Are you sure you got this?
Oh, I got this.
Makes a lot of power.
Oh, I think I can drive better than Dave. Isn't it ironic that I'm the one picking up Dave's R8?
Yeah, a little bit.
Man, he really is the brake slayer, guys. Look at all this brake dust in the wheels.
I'm surprised this car still runs.
Yeah, right?
Used and abused.
Let's hear how she sounds. You know you have to when you have a manual. Make sure it's in neutral. So the DDE brand is about clearly supercars and what you can do with them, but it's also the lifestyle that comes with it. So right now we are at Callaway Wines. It happened to be up the street from Sheepy, and it is my friend's bridal shower. Beautiful vineyard right behind us here to show you guys the view. Bree, congratulations.
Thank you.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Thank you for coming.
Yeah, I'm happy to be here.
So excited. Thank you for being my bridesmaid too. I'm so excited for the wedding and for Vegas.
Yeah, this will definitely be fun. Biggest trip coming soon. That is a wrap to the bridal shower. Next destination, San Diego. $100 in gas to fill up what isn't even a real supercar. Triggered. I'm just kidding. Kinda, not really. Holy hell. This car is smoking. I didn't even notice it. I pulled up at Sean so that we could go, and this car is on fire? I don't know where it's coming from. That's really not good. Holy hell. I really did not notice that. It smells like burnt sugar.
That's water.
Is it water? It smells like burnt sugar.
When you rolled up, it was just like pouring smoke out.
But it smells like burnt sugar, so unless, you know, the brake slayer actually has a brake issue, still, you smell it, it's sweet. Sean thinks it's coolant. It smells too burnt sugary, in my opinion.
No, and I walked out, like the way it was coming out, it wasn't smoke, it was steam. It looked like, so I think it's coolant.
What's going on here?
Dude, I don't know if your car's okay.
Is it smoking?
Do you see the photo I sent you? There's smoke everywhere.
Why?
I don't know, it smells like burnt sugar. Sean thinks it's coolant. I think it's something else. But
Well, that's good.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Dave, I think you need a V10 or something.
This is fine. I've got a V10 in the back of a guy that we can grab.
There's oil under the car.
There's oil under the car? Yeah. There is. I told you that wasn't coolant. You owe me 10 push-ups.
So it's leaking oil somewhere.
Yeah, you got an oil leak, dude. Look at that. Can you see it?
Oh, God!
Yeah.
Maybe don't drive that for another, until we get that looked at. Whoever owns that driveway, I apologize. Secondly, we can't drive the R8 right now.
Damn.
So much oil's in the actual dry sump tank because
I could check the
how long
oil.
have you been driving it for?
I've been on the road for a couple hours now.
Oh, yeah, that should be fine.
Yeah, there wasn't as much smoke when I started filming. It had kind of dissipated. Thank you.
I just wanted to watch you struggle on that. That was really entertaining.
Dissipated. Yeah, now there's oil on the ground underneath the car. I'd say probably about half a quart. Like, this is all wet. I don't know why I just did that, and I'm wearing a dress. How much smoke was there?
Dude, it was like billowing out. So I'm just like, you're like, hey, I'm here. I'm like, cool, walk out. All of a sudden I just see smoke like coming over the house. I'm like, what the, walk around here. You're just like, there's just smoke pouring out. It was literally like every crevice just had smoke coming out of it. That was crazy. That was insane.
Dude, Dave, you do not have good luck with cars.
It looks like there's like oil leaks from like multiple locations.
You think there's more than one leak?
I think so.
Or hopefully it's just a drain plug or something stupid, but...
My parents are gonna kill me.
You said they were gonna be okay with it!
That was just to make Dave feel better.
I can hear them. Can you hear them?
Oh yeah, 100%.
There they are.
I could hear it for like the last 10 minutes.
It's Dave's luck. Anything with Dave on it, it's too nice for Dave, and the universe is like, not today. All right, so we are on the road. How are you doing? It has been a while.
I'm doing good.
Yeah? Restaurant right by the oceanside water. We all got some margs, supercars by the beach, taking a lunch break. Oh yeah, it's Cinco de Mayo. Look at the view from this table. Unbelievable.
I know, I'm so pretty.
Oh, get out of here.
Should be a gentleman open the door for you?
Nah. Who do you think you are? Am I gonna have to hold you back against this 458?
Possibly. We'll come in and show him who's boss.
Show him who's daddy?
That was sick.
Yeah. Here we are at Hunt & Co. for one of my old friends, TJ Hunt.
That thing is
What's up,
bad.
dude? Good to see you. How are you?
Good.
So we're thinking you would race this today.
Yeah, I think that would beat me.
So you bought this wrecked online and you rebuilt it. Bottom up.
Well, we didn't weld on the aluminum front end, but everything else we did a lot simpler than you'd think. Like, it's actually like, this car was easier to work on than like any other car.
Yeah.
Like, just the way they like built it was just way easier to understand. Everything was hand built, so like you didn't need any special tools or anything. I don't know, surprisingly it was pretty easy.
Yeah.
But, like, it's just like too good not to.
It's louder than your car, bro. Way louder than your car.
Alright, hold him back, hold him back.
Yeah, hold me back.
Dude, I'm holding the camera like this, trying to plug my ears. This is Hunt & Co. Or this is, I guess, Hunt Quarters.
There's plenty of names to it. You can call it whatever you like. It's just where we keep way too much.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
Well, this is so many people's dream.
Yeah.
Mark IV Super, you have an FDRX7, but you've kept this clean. You have the 13B, but it was built. Aren't you putting like 6 down or something ridiculous?
Yeah, we're putting mid-6s down on a 13B.
Okay.
PRE built the motor, made it way too crazy for its own good. Yeah, this thing's like my baby.
I hear a lot of people say if you build a rotary right, it'll run.
So like, here's the thing. I love Rob Dahm. Rob Dahm is like my dad, but Rob has set the impression on YouTube that like rotaries don't work. And that is just not true. Like, they're definitely more finicky in a lot of other cars. And granted, this like magic motor was built by PPRE and like all that perfection. Like, I went to them and I said, money not being an option, I want you to build me the most reliable race style 13B like you can get.
This is nice. This is putting the biggest smile on everyone's face. This is it, I couldn't hold him back any longer. We're racing the 488 and the 458.
Oh, that sounds so good, oh my god! Jeez. Get the f off this freeway, bro.
I was wondering who was gonna lift first.
Yeah, I'll happily take that award. You were just like not lifting. I was like,
it wasn't a race of who's is faster. It was a race of who will lift first.
That thing sounds wicked. It's like a jet.
I think I recall you saying before we took off that you were trying to race for pinks.
I said, no, that's not what I said. That's not what I said.
Okay,
I said because I'm the underdog, it's only fair that if I win, I get pinks.
He did say he was going to give you 2 car lanes.
I didn't hear that. We should have been measuring that out.
Do you have a custom exhaust on this?
Yeah, we actually just got it fabbed up yesterday. Never heard it before. It's like a new sound. Want to hear it?
Yeah, I'd love to hear it.
It's really loud, so just be aware. Don't get too close.
Okay. Thank you for having us.
Appreciate you coming down.
Yeah, hope to see you in LA sometime soon.
You almost got me in jail, so I'll let that calm down first, and then yeah, we'll be up there.
I mean, if anything,
Calvin's just like,
I thought you got pulled over. Like, you guys were gone for
yeah.
nah, it was just a little cruise.
We're about Everyone runs with the ears covered. Dropping the top.
I heard it gets more girls this way.
So this is the new R8 since, you know, Dave's isn't running.
With a V10. With a V10 R8.
The only kind there should be. It's beautiful 360 view up here.
Dude, again, I know I look good. God.
Here we go. Wow, this is something else.
Somebody call an Uber?
Uber? Uber for you? You know, I ordered the Uber Black, but I'll accept this.
Okay.
Rankin's a good friend.
Hey, what's up, guys?
He's never sat in a supercar before. First experience sitting in a 488.
So pumped. Oh my. Holy.
Does it suit you?
Oh my god, this is crazy. Never seen anything like this before. I just want to like rev it.
I did. Thank you both so much.
Alright guys.
Drive recklessly. Make sure you're as loud as possible leaving the neighborhood.
Rip it!
Man, what a fun day today was. Unfortunately, the towing company wasn't able to come pick up the R8 today. I have to head back to LA, so they're gonna come get it in the morning. And Damon and Dave will actually be at Sheepy tomorrow accepting delivery. So hopefully you know what's going on with that. And you guys will soon see what is going on with the Huracan. There's a lot going on. Make sure you guys keep up with the videos. Also, if you support the channel, make sure you cop that merch. Daily Driven Exotics. Smash that subscribe button. Make sure you give this video a like and a comment. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!
You can't everybody hug each other, just walk around hugging people.
Well, they actually kiss strangers, right?
Do you want me to do it right now?
The camera's on you.
Hey guys, smash the subscribe button, use the merch. I'm not wearing any, but links in the description. I don't know what to do.
Sorry you have... Okay.
This is really creepy, this guy right here.